1.4, you put 1.6 in it now, didn't you? Yeah, because you blew the fucking engine out, didn't you?
Yeah.
Hello, boys.
Demon just got out of can. I gave my bro an advance.
Right, so welcome back to the next video, literally seconds after. Well, it'll be another day for you guys, but in this video, we are fitting the side skirts and the rear spats, wherever they are. There's a rear spat here somewhere. Yeah, that's what the rear spats look like. They look so good when they go on the car. I'll flip the camera around so you show you what they look like, actually. So ideally, when they go on, it should be sort of like that. Maybe a bit over a bit more. That's pretty much what it should look like along the rear diffuser, which is sick. And then the side splitters obviously go down the side. It might have a bit of a problem though, because it does have a bit of a sag underneath, but we'll figure that out when we get to it. For now, let's crack on with the video. Yeah. Of course, it's turned up. Double focus ST here.
Give him a rev.
Yeah, give him a rev. Looks standard, but definitely in standard. Fucking louder. That's hellish loud, that.
It is loud.
Fuck to put him there, man.
Yeah, I'll go where you are then.
There?
Maybe a little bit. Yeah, there. That's good. How does that look?
Sorry.
I can adjust it how far out and then how I am. So it's up to you at that
It
point.
should sit in that little bevel.
Yeah, I thought it should.
Like that.
They've got like a washer on the head about it. You look alright, John?
Yeah, bang it on.
Coming out with fucking head.
I thought that.
Boom.
Boom.
GG.
Fucking three.
Well, if you get it wrong, he's angry with you, not me.
Yeah, that is basically it.
Yeah, get on.
Look at it, that's it from it.
What?
I should put him through. Could go about here anyway, no? Oh, hold on. Trying to put you from, like, yeah, like, fucking.
It's just a clusterfuck, isn't it, at this point? I don't know whether they're still doing that.
About there, innit?
I'm going to say the first comment break before anyone does, and that's how many people do it take to fit side strips.
Yeah.
Boom.
Boom. Send done.
Bring it down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bring the ramp down and see what this looks like. Now they're on. Back end of that should be looking naughty. Yeah. That's fine. Still look mad when the side skirt's going. That's fucking well nice.
Yeah, that's spot on.
I
I think that's the best thing we've ever done.
Parts in the car. Standard, yeah. Standard with all these side skirts.
A minute and 10
I apologise
seconds.
if you're watching like half an hour videos.
A minute and 10 seconds. A minute and 15 seconds open.
Huh? Channel for an air. You're right with that.
That's what the plan was doing. Got round to it, really.
Boom. Alright. That should look pretty straight with an air on.
Are they sided? They've got to be one way or another. I don't know how you work.
No, actually. They can't. Nah, I don't know.
As long as the distance between these different sides.
It's going to sit now.
They got a plastic top.
I'm never going to get on ramps or anything with this thing. I'm coming up it now. No.
Joe, the wax was yeah. Yeah, if you want to do something.
Ready two. How many is there?
Alright.
There's one down.
So the next one's here.
I think we've run down.
That's what I said, do it from fucking both ends first.
Uh-oh. I see.
No, yeah. Pull it. That should be it. Is that it or not? Does it look right?
I got a cloud and then a
I'm just feeling it at the minute. Yeah. And then one right on the end here.
One more row. Because the slack will end up in the middle.
No, I think so.
Got a wheel go.
You get it lined up right at the beginning.
Oh, that's right.
No, you need to take the stress down with it, otherwise,
Like I said, we just have to line it up as a skill.
Right, let's get the second one on.
Get them all lined up.
Fucking light this bag inside, isn't it? Come forward a little bit. That'll do, that'll do.
You got the drill,
Yeah, drill's there. Right, so do one each end first, isn't it? One each end, isn't it?
No, we'll work your way along, but also make sure he's right all the way down.
Where's the first hole? Oh, yeah.
Ready?
didn't fucking stop it.
Yeah.
Next one's here. After
It's sticking out again.
Yeah.
So this one's got less holes on the other side. Seems like it's gonna. Is that still straight?
Amount of holes I put in my car today. Looks like he hangs down there, isn't it?
I don't think it's there, is it? So
Is that there it is?
Boom.
That look good.
Yeah, he's right, isn't he? That's that all done. So it's all done. I'll take the car out in the light to show you it properly first, so we'll just get the car down and put it out in the light. Look what it looks like. Is that way back out here, is it? Fuck. That's mad, that, isn't it? Cheers, boys. So, massive thank you to all these lads here. I will plug all their Instagrams and everything else down in the description down below. Looks sick. Keisha's already sick of it. She's cool by the looks of it. I think we're all going on a piss up now, lads, aren't we? Yeah, come on. Come on. All done. Side spats, side splitters, rear diffuser now, front splitter on as well. Looks sick. So, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Right, so all the boys are behind me. What's this garage called again, boys? Beacon Garage. Check it out. I'll leave it in the description down below as well. You don't. It's not just buses. You do other stuff as well, don't you?
Depends really.
Depends.
It's a bit of everything. Mainly buses, but that bay there is cars.
Yeah. What cars do you drive as well? What have you got?
I don't drive a car anymore. I used to have 335.
335.
I got 330D.
330D.
Fabia.
Fabio. That's a good car. Soph's got one of them. That's a good car.
That VTR sort 106.
And the VTR, he's put a, there's a 1.4, he put a 1.6 in it now, isn't
1.6
it? Yeah, because he
in
blew
it,
the
bro.
fucking engine up, didn't he?
Yeah.
Hell of a voice. Anyway, boys, check out all our social media links, and mine will be down in the description down below. We've got new merch coming this weekend, so check it all out. Subscribe as always, and make sure you check out the next future videos coming out. See you again.